Today, we are not just walking or running for fitness. We are walking for hope, we are walking for life, and for one another. Every step we took this morning is a reminder that when it comes to mental health, we are never alone. Behind many smiles, there are many people silently struggling. And sometimes, those who seem the strongest are the ones who need help the most.
Maraming salamat sa 1,400 participants! So, sa PMHA po, ang ini-envision namin is for the Filipinos to have the highest level of mental health.
Move for mental health. Move for mental health. I move for mental health. Woo! Move for mental health. Woo! Para sa amin, there's no health without mental health. Woo! Move for mental health. Move for mental health.
At magagawa natin ito sa pamamagitan ng if we raise awareness, inspire others, eradicate stigma, and make mental health services accessible.